Yeah, buddy. Oh, man. What is good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I am super excited to eat this today. I got a little gift card in the mail randomly. I wasn't expecting, so I was like, you know what? I want to indulge a little bit. I had a vegan cheesesteak a week or so ago, whatever, a couple weeks ago. I don't know how long. But I've been wanting to go to this place by my house. It's called Casapullas. That's where this is from. For a while, it's kind of like, it almost seems like a hole-in-the-wall place. It's kind of off the... And I was like, I want a cheesesteak. I want a real cheesesteak. Now, my only issue with this is it doesn't have Cheese Whiz, which is my preference. So that would be my only critique. Also, I don't have no idea how it tastes, but they've been around a long time. On the cheesesteak, I have ketchup, grilled onions, American cheese, hot and sweet peppers. So Casapullas, if you're listening, consider the Cheese Whiz. It's the way to go. There's your cheesesteak. Boom. Let's dig into it. I'm gonna be eating most of this thing. I'm absolutely hungry. I'm gonna go cheesesteak. Never been there before, but automatically after a couple bites, that's competing. That's competing. I might do a cheesesteak battle, Delaware cheesesteak battle. Oh yeah. Oh, salt and vinegar chips, sorry. If you haven't not familiar with the place, which I wasn't, they got a full-on deli in there. So you know, you get your ham, you get your pepperoni. Very Italian, old school but modern feel. I like the vibe in there. It's got a couple people working. Water. Alright, let's go. I do want a Philly cheesesteak desperately. But I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna leave some of these chips in the sandwich. Let me just try that. So on this sandwich, we're gonna have some chips involved. In there, just a little bit. I always like to add chips to the sandwich. I know it's like classic with PB&J, but who's to say it don't work with a cheesesteak? I'm already gonna eat the chips anyway. Oh, I was feeling this. Oh man. And I didn't really have to pay for it. Well, kind of, but like, you know, gift card. Yeah, kid. Yeah, we got a couple of cheesesteak spots, but there's a reason Philly is king of that stuff. There's a reason. Maybe one day I'll do like a little out and about up in Philly. So we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. No worries. Look at that bread. Bread is absolutely important in the cheesesteak. Look at that, fresh. Very fresh bread. I don't, it's either Amoroso's or, I forget the other one. Anyway, who cares? Mmm. Yeah, good. Loving the weather right now. I know I was talking about the weather. I Scott, wait on my weather. The weather affects my mood. It does. And I'm usually opposite of that. I like a nice little gusty, like today. Overcast, a little bit windy, a little bit gusty, no sunshine. You can open up the window, nice, get a nice little breeze coming. I love it. And they got a little nice little cheesesteak here. Look at that boy. Woo. Hot and sweet pepper on that. Y'all need to get Cheese Whiz. Boy, it's so difficult. No Delaware spot that I know of has Cheese Whiz. It should be a layup. Like, I don't know. I had a light breakfast, though. Had some fruit. Had some coffee, but this is like, so. This is where, oh, I did have some banana bread. I take that back. My mother was lovely enough to make me some banana bread. So I had that, and now this. I like those onions, but I need them chopped up more. When I grilled them well, I need them chopped up more. I have been enjoying, to be honest, the last couple of days, as you probably saw. The last couple of videos, I should say, probably be more accurate. Probably be more accurate. I've taken you out with me. I'm joking, with me. When I go out and get some meat, like I'm out in the car and all that. So I've been having fun doing those, actually. You know, I know if you get like a little behind the scenes you know, what's Scott like when the camera isn't running? What's he like out and about in the wild? I'm an observer of human behavior, and when I see dumb human behavior, even though I'm a guy sitting in his car eating food, I know that's weird human behavior to other people. The way people drive, all of it all fascinates me. It all fascinates me. I think it all, you know, I read into it, but it's deep. I think it probably has less deeper meaning than I'm making out to be. But I really have fun with those videos. Obviously, you can see that bread is hitting me. I got this. Soda does say better, but water's what I gotta go with. Is what I got to go with. All right. Oh. Nothing like a good cheesesteak, though, I tell you. Cheesesteak is just an American classic. Like, let me think about top. What's my favorite American foods? I mean, pizza's American. Let's be honest. I mean, our style pizza. You know, that's obviously my number one. Would I go cheesesteak or cheeseburger? It's kind of one and the same, but it's kind of not. I probably would lean toward like a burger, not necessarily even a cheeseburger. I just like a regular burger with, like, you know, similar toppings as this, but. Excuse me. Yeah, hot dog's good too, but like, yeah, I think I would go like a burger / cheeseburger too. Cheesesteak or chicken cheesesteak, depending on the movie. I think either one works, to be honest. There's no real, you know, preference there. But like a burger and fries, that's number 2, all American foods. Number 3 is a cheesesteak. Number 4, I would probably have to put like a good submarine type sandwich, like a good Italian. And then, yeah, I think then I would probably have to, a hot dog would probably be in there, chili dog, something like that. And that's American, it's American style foods. We like bread. We like bread and we like meat. Mm. Casapullas, great cheesesteak. If y'all could get the cheese whiz involved, man, and there's a little onion chop. The onions were good. They tasted good, but I just need to chop those bad boys up a couple more times. Boom, 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 boom. A little bit chop, and you get the cheese whiz involved in there. The peppers, the hot sweet peppers, fresh. Right, those are good. Good meal. Very satisfying. Not like a good cheesesteak. Eventually I'll go to the home of cheesesteaks, but for another day. For another day. Hope y'all having a great day wherever you are. You know, just enjoy the day. It's a gloomy one where I am, but I love it. I love this type of weather. It's my cup of tea, so to speak. But guys, thank you for taking a few minutes with me today. I greatly appreciate your time. Y'all take care, be well, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see y'all.